One here with a French beard, the one who has talent. No, no, no. You have talent. You told me. Oh, it's a full beard. Okay, what's your question?
Hi Shahrukh, this is Sohail. Shahrukh, what would be your role? Like, we have not actually come to know what exactly would be your role and how would you be entertaining or you would be hosting the show? Kya hai exactly?
Nothing. Are you asking me now?
Yeah.
Huh. So I'm going to host the show on the evening, on the 6th evening. I'd like to put it all together for these 14, 15, 16, or even more maybe, or less. But they are about, when I was reading about it when Raj told me, and I think Rav has started designing it, there are about 16 performances mixed with Indian and international artists. And of course, there are Bollywood regular performances also, which are going to be irregular because they're going to be shot in a different way and showcased in a different way. So I'm going to put it all together as a host. I think, you know, I'll tell you the interest when Raj and the whole team from Colors told me about it. I was just happy to be a part of it and, you know, just all bind it together. I really don't have the kind of talent the guys and girls who are going to perform on the stage have. So मैं थोड़ा सा बैक स्टेज पे रह के पीछे अच्छा सूट वूट पहन के बातचीत करके आप लोगों को बाइंड कर दूंगा इस शो में because I think it's an important platform not only for Indian talent to be showcased worldwide. I think it's also important for the exposure of Indian talent to see what the world talent has reached. And not only just in music and dance, but the different variety of things that Rav and I'm sure the team, they go out and choose. And I myself am, you know, when I get extremely... An entertainer sometimes is bereft of entertainment for himself or herself. For me, this is one of the most entertaining evenings that I'll have. I'll be able to watch some of the greatest things and, you know, be able to host it and put it all together for you.
Shahrukh, but then we have been seeing lots of things like this in awards. जैसे YouTube में भी आपने कहा था, WhatsApp पे भी ऐसे videos बहुत आते हैं. तो what would be very exciting, like, and it would be a ticket show. So why will people come? Like, what is the real concept behind this thing? In fact, like, आप भी जुड़े हो तो आपने भी कुछ उनको सवाल किए होंगे.
पूछ क्या रहे थे उसमें?
मुझे भी समझ नहीं.
मैं क्या करूँगा?
नहीं आप क्या करोगे? लेकिन इसमें इतना attraction क्या रहेगा मेरा कहने का मतलब?
रहेगा ना, आना 6 को देखना ना आराम से. टिकट बिक रहे हैं. ऐसे थोड़ा ना कि ऐसा कुछ हम शो लगा देंगे वहाँ पे. इतने बड़े-बड़े लोग बैठे हैं. राव बैठा हुआ है. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा शो किया है. सामिन कावल ने जिसने क्रिएट किया हुआ है. राज कलर्स वाले बैठे हैं. सब लोग प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं तो कुछ तो ठीक ठाक ही करेंगे ना. ऐसा थोड़ा ना कि आ जाओ देखो और आ रही हो तो कुछ भी नहीं था यार.
Good answer.
Thank you, Sohail. Okay, who's next?
Hello,
Raj.
Yeah.
Shahrukh sir. For Raj. Raj, I would like on your left
okay.
side. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, this is the sound delay. We're watching him and hearing someone else.
Yeah.
I'm shooting a
Raj,
question to Shahrukh
I would
sir.
like to ask you that
Hold
how
on.
did
Okay.
Raj, how did you and your team arrive with the idea of Got Talent World Stage, you know, to bring something like this in India? And Shahrukh, are you, you know, do you think that you could also make up for a good host, considering you are an excellent entertainer? Do you also think that you could make up for a good host? So, question to the both
Okay,
of you.
let me answer. First of all, for us, Shah Rukh Khan, you know, you can't get a bigger name in entertainment like Shah Rukh Khan. So for us, he's the face of World's Got Talent World Stage Live. More importantly, the way we are looking at this is not going to be a one-time event. We would like to do this year on year, and Shah Rukh will be associated with it throughout. That's the way we look at
और
it.
अगर मैं ठीक नहीं करूँ तो निकाल देना. तुम voting होती है. There's a voting pattern on the telephone. You can send your SMSs, and if you don't like him, Shah Rukh's got no votes. Throw him out.
His question was basically how you came up with the idea and how
Yeah,
Shah
and
Rukh's going to be
let me tell
involved.
you, it's not our idea. Ron the Don, I call him, from Fremantle, brought Rav Singh to me, and we discussed the idea, and we said something like this will work, and I felt it was a great idea, so I told Rav, if we can put it together, the logistics for this is not easy. It's taken us 2 years, we discussed this, finalized it, signed a contract 2 years back. It's taken us 2 years to put it together because every time we finalize on the talent is not available, because they are so busy doing other things. So bringing all the talent together has taken a lot of time.
And that's a talent in itself.
And I think it's sometimes magic happens. And I think...
And I just want to vouch for that because finally when they told me about 15 days back कि 6 December को हो रहा, मैं हो रहा है अभी क्योंकि 2 साल से, and I want to tell you, these guys have really worked hard. I got they told me about 2 years back, 1.5 years back at least, when I think Rav and Ron and everyone, in the team had set this all together, and every time I asked them, they said, no, we want to showcase the best talent in this country. And I think it's a very, very, I think it's a thing that is very appreciable, that you're trying to get the best on stage, not only for India, like I said, for Indians to see, and perhaps, get more enthusiastic about going around the world, because like Raj said, like Raf believes, कि अपने Indian लोग चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं. So when we have this kind of a show, I think the world will be able to see what the Indians and what everyone in our culture can do, and I think that's amazing. It's an amazing platform.
Sure it is. The gentleman there,
yeah.
I think we'll take that question from him.
This is Alok from OFM.
Yeah, my question is for Shahrukh sir. Sir, hi. So I've been a great fan of yours.
नाम
मेरा नाम है निपुन मुरारका.
निपुन.
Yeah. सर अभी हम आए दिन पेपर में पढ़ते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे चोट लगी है, कभी शोल्डर में लगी है, कभी सर पे लगी है. World's Got Talent is a great platform, and you said very humbly that I'm not very talented, but I got a huge platform when you started with Ram Leela. But I think, sir, इतना सारा आपको broken bones होने के बाद भी, how do you manage to get so much of energy? I mean, what is that one thing that you think is your driving factor when you are there all set to entertain all your fans? I know it's an offbeat question from the platform.
No, not at all. Yeah. It's nice to have offbeat questions. I'm planning to do some art films. No, it may sound a little, self-praisey when I say this, but to me, having worked 25 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, और मैं बार-बार बोलता हूँ, शुरुआत में पैसे की तमन्ना होती है, फिर फेम की तमन्ना होती है, फिर फैमिली को ठीक रखने की तमन्ना होती है, और तमन्नाएं ख़त्म नहीं होती, अवार्ड की होती है, रिवॉर्ड की होती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ों की होती है. फिर एक मुकाम पर पहुंच जाता है आदमी, that you go back to the core and realize the only thing I want to do in my life is to make people smile. I always say this, and somewhere down the line, हाथ पे जो चोट लगती है, सिर पे चोट लगती है, these are part and parcel. Maybe I'm accident prone, maybe I'm just not very tough, maybe I do kind of films and the stuff that I do is wrong, but somewhere down the line the idea is जब दिल पर चोट लगी होती है इस बात की कि मैं लोगों को खुश कर सकूं उतना जितना उन्होंने मुझे खुश किया है. I have not a guilt, but I have a feeling I have been given a lot more than I deserve. I need to return it back before this ends, because otherwise I won't be able to enjoy who I am at the end of my career. My children won't be able to enjoy. So it's something I owe to everyone. I'll keep on working. I always tell everyone, the best way to go would be roll camera, action, oh shit, he's gone. That's the way I would like to go. So I want to work and keep on working, and I overcome it. Yeah. You work out, you exercise a little, and then, just go and work harder. That's it. Every time you push back, you just push back harder. That's all.
That's quite amazing, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks, Nipun.
You're one of the finest journalists who've praised me so much in one evening. I love you. If you're free on Saturday, can I marry you, please? Okay. All right. Okay.
Khan Sahab, this is
journalist dekha tabhi to na.
We'll come to you next.
Thank you,
We'll come
Nipun.
to you next. Yeah, the gentleman in the
Khan
yellow.
Sahab, this is Alok from OFM, आपके right में ही. मेरा सवाल है, आपने स्वदेश भी की है, आप परदेश भी कर चुके हैं फिल्म. परदेशियों को स्वदेश में बुला करके और उनके सामने एंकरिंग करना कितना फन होने वाला है, एंटरटेनिंग होने वाला है?
एक्चुअली एंकरिंग करना या होस्ट करना या किसी एक मजमे को उनका दिल बहलाना, उनसे बात करना शो पे निर्भर करता है यार. आई थिंक अ होस्ट और अ होस्टेस is as good. Like, I think this must be a fantastic show because Minnie is so good. You're as good as the show that you're doing. So I think the content we have for this show is world talent, yeah. And in different facets. It's not just dancing and singing, which is also amazing, but there are going to be some very different things. Whenever I've gone on India's Got Talent, and I must confess, on evenings when I have nothing else to do or I'm very sad and I want to see I get a lot of ideas from Britain's Got Talent, and there was one Sardarji who danced once to a Michael Jackson. I mean, amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. You get so many ideas. The other night I was working out and I said, I want to do some new thing in my new film. And my trainer tells me, sir, aap India Got Talent dekho, usme se kuch na kuch niklega. So you find ideas because, we get so narrowed down by what we do every day because of the jobs. So I think a host or an hostess is going to be as good as the show it is containing. So this show is fantastic. My job is going to be easy. I hopefully will be able to talk to you well. I'll be able to do what I do best. And the show is going to be bigger than the host. or anything else, inshallah.
पिछले दिनों में आपके ट्विटर पे काफी लोग आपकी तस्वीरें भेजते थे, और क्या ये इसी श्रृंखला का ट्रेलर था जो ये टैलेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
Sorry, we didn't get that question.
Would I ever advertise on? Do you think I need to advertise on Twitter?
नहीं, लोग आपकी तस्वीरें बना करके भेजते थे, आपको कुछ पसंद आती थी?
लोग मुझे क्या-क्या भेजते हैं तो मैं बताऊंगा कभी आराम से मैं.
Thank you so much. The gentleman here, can we give them a mic?
Mr. Raj and Shahrukh, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल था. Ishan from News Express. राज, पहली बात तो शाहरुख ने खुद इच्छा
कहाँ हो तुम यार?
Right there in the red shirt. Do you want to stand up?
खड़ा होना यार, ऐसा क्या?
पहले तो शाहरुख खान बहुत कम ही अपनी इच्छा जाहिर करते हैं काम करने की किसी के साथ. आपके संग उन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर की है काम करने की. क्यों ना इस बार बिग बॉस में
अरे उनसे ज्यादा तो हमारा इच्छा है उनके साथ काम करने की. हम 1.5 साल से सोच रहे हैं हाउ डू वी, and I'm not joking, it is serious. And I met Shahrukh about a year and a half ago, and I told him we should do something together. And since that day I said it's also about identifying a show or a program that lives up to Shahrukh's stature. So we just can't take Shahrukh Khan and use him in a show for the sake of it. So we've been ideating quite a lot, and inshallah बहुत जल्दी वो भी हो जाएगा.
क्यों ना बिग बॉस में इस बार चांस दे दिया जाए, क्योंकि सलमान खुद कह चुके हैं शाहरुख
Right.
बहुत अच्छे होस्ट रहेंगे.
We have just one more question left, and we'd like to
इस
take it.
सवाल के तुझे 10 on 10. तुम खुश तो बहुत हो गए.
खान साहब, आपसे सवाल था, कई सारे टैलेंट शोज आते हैं, कई सारे विनर्स भी होते हैं उनमें, लेकिन कई ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनकी जो प्रॉमिसेस किए जाते हैं टैलेंट से वो पूरे नहीं होते. तो एज एन सुपरस्टार, एज अ होस्ट ऑफ द शो, आप कितनी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हैं कि इस तरीके की चीज़ें फ्रॉड ना हो किसी भी आर्टिस्ट या किसी भी टैलेंट के साथ?
जो मेरी चीज़ होती है, जो हमने बनाई होती है, जो प्रॉमिस किया होता है वो मैं करता हूँ. और मुझे ये भी मालूम है जो 90% लोग हैं, 95% लोग हैं जिनके साथ मैं काम करता हूँ, वो सभी उसको डिलीवर करते हैं जो होना चाहिए. कभी कभार अगर ऊंच नीच हो जाती है वो गलती से होती है. आई डोंट थिंक एनी पर्सन हु प्रोड्यूसेस शोज विद प्रॉमिसेस ऑफ टेकिंग टैलेंट समवेयर makes an empty promise, because I think when a show is done like India's Got Talent and other talent shows also, I think the biggest happiness and achievement for the producers, the makers, the creators of the show is that their showcase talent becomes the most famous. So I don't think anyone holds back on that. If there are instances like this, there must be some kind of a slip, but I don't think anyone does it intentionally. So as a host or as a person, maybe I can't look at it, but I'm sure everybody else does give it a lot of import.
Shahrukh sir, here. Actually, the show Got Talent, the stage, is more about inspirations and aspirations. Having touched so many lives, you've actually inspired a lot of people, be it a journalist or an actor or anybody else, and also given life to many other inspiration. You've been an inspirational story for many. How do you take it? Unintentionally or intentionally touching lives all throughout your life?
What's your name?
Nayandeep.
Nayandeep, I think most of the people, especially, I'll speak about myself, because I don't want to include others, maybe I'm speaking out of turn. But if I have, in any which way, touched anybody's life and have been an inspiration, the honest truth is, I'm not the one responsible for it alone. I can take the credit for it, I'm the packaging for it, I'm the face of it. But there are people behind who work extremely hard to create someone of an inspiration. Yes, I work hard, I do my stuff, I have a little bit of talent, I try my best every time. But there are people like Raj here, and there are a lot of producers and directors and creators and writers who actually make it happen. I think one can't solo take the credit for it. All I can say is that one gets fortunate enough to create a team of people. So for the last 20 years, 25 years, I think I've had just such a wonderful team of people who have made me the face of the inspiration. The actual inspiration is mostly backstage. As a matter of fact, my office is called Backstage, because I really believe most of the stuff, these guys are coming here tonight. I didn't know he's the director of the show, that he produces it, how many months they go. Ron has created it with Simon Cowell. We don't even know these names unless we come and introduce it. And they're also, unfortunately, through a Bollywood star. But these are the guys who make it. So I think becoming an inspiration is a very fortunate accident that happens because of the team that you have. So I take it, I hope I always have a good team so that I can keep on inspiring people.
Shahrukh?
Wait, our last question.
Shahrukh here.
Just one second. There's a gentleman here who's been waiting to ask a question, one of the most familiar faces.